I am Dr. M.P. Sarde from AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. I welcome you all. In this video, we are going to study CPLD and FPGA, complex programmable logic devices and field programmable gate array. What are the disadvantages of PLDs? We will see. Simple PLDs means SPLD like PAL, EPLD, GAL have limited number of inputs, product term and output. These devices can support up to 32 input and output only. Thus, for the circuits which require more input and output than SPLD chip, user need to use multiple SPLD chips or use more sophisticated type of chips called as complex programmable logic devices, CPLDs. Disadvantage of PLD using multiple SPLDs are PC board area increases with number of chips. Connecting wires will result in adverse capacitive effect. With more number of chips, power requirement is more and cost of system thus increases. So, one more method to increase number of input, output and product term is by designing PLDs using architecture of SPLDs. But the problem associated with such type of approach is capacitive effect is more, leakage current is more, speed decreases and cost effectiveness. These difficulties can be overcome by the use of CPLDs. It is a collection of individual PLDs on a single chip and programmable interconnected structure. Resources available in different PLDs can be shared in different ways to design complex logic functions. Complexity of any IC can be specified by number of two input NAND gate. PAL has 8 microcells. Each macrocell represents 20 equivalent gate. Then PAL accommodates a circuit that needs up to about 160 gate. For large number of gates, CPLD with large number of macrocells can implement circuit up to 10,000 equivalent gates. This is the block diagram of CPLD. It consists of PAL-like blocks, input-output block and the set of interconnected wires. PAL-like blocks are connected to set of interconnected wires and each block is also connected to an input-output block to which a number of chips input and output pins are attached. PAL block consists of 16 macro cells and each macro cells consists of AND OR configuration, an XOR gate, a flip-flop, a multiplexers and tri-state buffers. Field Programmable Gate Array FPGA. We'll see the details of FPGA now. Basic architecture of PLD is similar to PAL and PLA. Over the years, programmable arrays increased in size and complexity and highly configurable output macrocells have been added to enhance their flexibility and expandability. To enhance the functionality and the size in a single programmable device, FPGA is developed. Logic density of FPGA is much more than that of CPLD. They range in the size from few thousand to hundreds of thousands of equivalent gates. FPGA do not contain AND OR planes, but instead they provide the logic blocks for implementation of required digital functions. FPGA consists of a number of configurable logical blocks, CLBs. Here you can see in the basic architecture of FPGA, several CLBs are used. I/O blocks and programmable interconnection path called as routing channel. All the resources of logic blocks must be selected, configured and interconnected by a user to form logic circuit for his application. The basic FPGA architecture consists of arrays of configurable logic blocks surrounded by configurable I/O blocks. There are several rows and columns of programmable interconnection path you can see in this figure. Input-output blocks can be individually configured as input, output, and bidirectional. FPGA process technology. Different process technologies used by various FPGA manufacturers are SRAM technology, based on static memory technology. CMOS devices are fabricated by this technology and these are in-system programmable or ISP and are reprogrammable. Anti-fuse technology developed by Actel ACTEL Corporation of America used for processing CMOS FPGAs which are one-time programmable means OTP. EEPROM technology, it may be one-time programmable or ultraviolet erasable type of CMOS devices. FPGA process technology, EEPROM technology, it is electrically erasable which may be in-system programmable type or off-system programmable type CMOS technology. Flash technology, it is a flash erase CMOS technology which may be in-system programmable type. Fuse technology, it is a bipolar one-time programmable FPGA. This table gives you the difference between the CPLD and FPGA. This is the table of comparison between CPLD, FPGA and ASIC with respect to the several parameters like performance, power consumption, test development complexity, density, unit cost, timing iteration, design efforts, memory and security. Thank you.